Alright, everybody. In today's video, we are going to be looking at this AC adapter for a PlayStation 1 Slim that I purchased off eBay. You can see the ratings on it, 7.5 volts. Problem with this one is when I received it, as you can hear, it rattled. It was like very obvious, so obvious I didn't even plug it into the wall. They replaced it for me for free, which was awesome. But now that I got the free working one, I'm going to open up this one and see what the issue was. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start by peeling back this sticker to access the screw. Alright. Put the sticker back down just to keep it clean. And yeah, then it just kind of opens and slides off. There's like these clips on the top. Just pretty, it's like a general housing, so you can just slap all kinds of power adapters in there. You know, kind of a general purpose deal. So it's pretty immediately obvious what the issue is. The prongs are not connected to the board. As you can see, one is labeled for your neutral and the other one's your line, your hot. So it was a mechanical failure, you know. It's funny. It's funny when electrical problems are mechanical problems. You know, this is just a really, really cheap as possible you can get design. So I'm gonna shake it after I slide it on there, give it the good old Steele test. Put the clips back on, it seals right back up. There's no glue or adhesive or anything like that. I'm not trying to waterproof this thing or make it super like hard to get into. Cheap as possible was their mind when designing this thing. Already closed. Alright, now that I've got it all connected, I guess the next step would be to test it out. So we'll go ahead and go do that. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and turn my meter on to DC volts. And again, this thing is rated output for 7.5 volts. At this moment, I don't know the polarity of the barrel jack. I'm just gonna assume outside's negative, inside's positive, and we are correct. And as you can see, we're measuring 7.77777 volts. Woo! Just go to a casino. And that's it, everybody. Thanks for watching, and if you learned anything, I hope it's that sometimes electrical problems are actually just mechanical problems.